How to show Snapchat story to one person only. In today's quick video, I'll show you how to share your Snapchat story with only one person using the latest method. So let's get started. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Next, tap on your Bitmoji in the top left corner to go to your profile. Then tap the settings gear icon the top right corner, scroll down until you find the Who Can section. Once you find it, simply tap on View My Story and tap on Custom. Here, what you need to do is choose the one person that you want to block or choose the person that you want to block. You can simply block all the people. Simply block all the people and except the person that you don't want to hide from. Simply go to Custom again and repeat the process. Simply choose all of the people except your certain someone. Once you're happy, simply tap on block and just post your story like usual, and only the person you didn't select it will be able to view it. And that's it. That's how you simply show your Snapchat story to only one person.